Hello, hi and namaste to you all. My dear students, I hope all of you are very safe and sound there. Okay, today I would like to welcome especially grade 2 students, right? Okay, as I have said in previous class, I will be there with a new topic. So today I am here. So are you ready to learn about some new topic? Okay, so all of you are ready there. So my dear students, before starting today's class, let's know what are we going to do. Okay, what is our topic? So my dear students, today's topic is care of public properties. Okay, so let's know what we are going to do, what activities are there for today's class, right? So today at first we will go through some words and meaning, right, which helps you in your learning activities. Okay, and after that we will discuss about the topic with the help of chart here, as you can see on the board, right? And not only that, I have collected some of the pictures too. So we will discuss on picture as well. And not only that, for your evaluation, lastly, we will move towards some of the exercise. So, are you all ready for it? Okay, then my dear students, before starting or before going towards words and meaning, let's have a short revision about our previous class. So, my dear students, do you remember what was our class? Okay, our previous class was all about our properties. That might be public properties and private properties. Yes? Do you remember that? Okay, in our previous class we have discussed about private property, some examples as well, isn't it? And even some of the public properties. And not only that, in that class we have discussed, we have known why the public properties are important to us. What benefits we can get from public properties, right? We have gone through many examples as well, isn't it? Okay, so my dear students, today's class is also related to public property. As we have already known in our previous class, public properties are very important for us, isn't it? So that we must take care of public properties. And that we are going to discuss in today's class. Alright? Now, let's move towards words and meaning. Okay, my dear students, as you can see here in the board, some of the words are written, right, in this side and their meanings are written there. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's read the meanings and words, right? So here for you, the first word is here. Let me read for you, okay? S-E-V-E-R-A-L, several. My dear students, you can read after me. Okay, so once again for you, S-E-V-E-R-A-L, several. And what's the meaning? It is more in number. Many types also you can say, right? Okay, now the next word is for you, C-O-L-L-A-P-S-E, collapse. Once again, okay, I hope you are reading after me, right? Okay, C-O-L-L-A-P-S-E, collapse. Okay, this word might be new for you or you have heard it. Okay, some of you might have heard it, isn't it? But let's know the meaning. Okay, the meaning of collapse is fall down. Okay, let me make you clear about the word. Whenever some buildings are too walled, they collapse, they fall down, right? Okay, then the next word is also there, that is S-S-O-R-T-A-Z-E, shortage. Once again for you, S-S-O-R-T-A-Z-E, shortage. That means insufficient amount. Like some of the things you may need more but there isn't. So in that condition you can say shortage, right? And the next one is also there, that is comfortable, comfortable. Once again, okay, comfortable, comfortable. Okay, are you comfortable there? Okay, I hope so. Let's know the meaning. That means easy or relaxation. If you are in easy condition, if you are relaxing, then you can say, I am comfortable over here, right? Okay, then the next word, last word is there, renovate, renovate. Have you heard this word? Okay, some of you might have heard it before also, okay? So once again, I am going to read it, okay? renovate, renovate. What's the meaning? Repair something. Okay, if something has been damaged and if you repair it again, that we can say renovate, right? So my dear students, here you have learned about some of the words and their meanings too, which are very important for you, right? Okay, now my dear students, as I have told you in the beginning, what's our next activities? Okay, that is all about topic discussion, right? Care of public properties. So here we go for the chart. Okay. So my dear students, see the chart and listen to me, okay? So here, care of public properties, as the topic is written there. Yes, and my dear students, you have already known what types of properties, what types of things are called as public properties in our previous class as well, right? And this will be just revision for you also, okay? So let's move towards it, right? The things that can be used by everyone equally are called public properties. Okay, once again, such things which can be used equally by all the people are called as public properties. Do you remember some of the examples that we have done in previous class? Yes, if not, here I have written, such as school, hospital, road, temple, bus park, post office, police station, etc. Right? Okay, these things you might have known previously also. Okay, but you have to be very much clear. Such things which can be used equally by all the people or commonly by all the people, they are called as public properties. An example, you know it, right? Now, we all the people can use them and take benefits. Listen, my dear students, we all the people, yes, they can use them whenever they need and they can take benefits, different services from the public properties, right? Okay, they are very important to make our life easier and comfortable. My dear students, public properties are very important because they help us, they provide us different services so that we can live our life easily and comfortably, right? You might have known the uses of public properties in our previous class. Why school is important in our society, why hospital is important, what services we can get from there, isn't it? So that these public properties help us to make our life easy and comfortable, right? Okay. So, it is our prime duty to take proper care of such public properties. My dear students, prime means main, most important one. Okay, as we are living in a society, there might be some public properties and times and again, we may be using them. We may be taking advantages, taking benefits from them, isn't it? So that it is our duty, main duty, we must take care of such public properties. Right? Are you clear? Okay. Now here I have written some ways to take care of public properties to make you more clear how can we take care of public properties? Some examples I have written here. So shall we move for it? Okay. So here in one column there are public properties. Some few examples of public properties are given, and in next side, ways to take care. How can we take care of these public properties? It is given here. Yes. So here, my dear students, at first there is school. School is very important public properties. Do you remember last time what we have discussed? Why school is important for us? Yes, obviously, isn't it? School is important to get education. Yes. So, how to take care of our school? What ways are there? Okay, let's see here. Cleaning and renovating. Yes, my dear students, to take proper care of a school, we have to keep it neat and clean every time. And not only that, when a school will be very much old, isn't it? Then there may be some damages. We have to repair that again and again, so that it will be in good condition always. Right? Okay. Now the next one is also there, which is very important for us. That is road. Okay. What happens if there is no good road service in our society? Yes, we may feel difficult to travel from one place to another place, isn't it? And if the road is there and its condition is not good, what may happen? Do you remember? Yes, there might be some accident, isn't it? So, timely we have to take care of our road, right? So, how to take care? Here, repairing when needed. Listen, my dear students, you might have seen, yeah, in some places, in some road, you might have seen some of the ditches. Yes, due to that, there can be some accident also, isn't it? So, how we can take care of road is that we have to fill up such ditches with stone or bricks, isn't it? Whatever available there, right? We have to take proper care of road by repairing them times and again when it is needed, right? Okay, the next one is also there. Yeah, it is hospital. One of the important public property which provide us health service, isn't it? Okay, so how to take care of hospital? For that, keeping neat and clean. Yes, we can clean the hospital times and again, and not only that, if the hospital building has been old, isn't it? We can do there some renovation work, we can repair it, isn't it? Okay. Now the next one is also there, that is temple. Do you go to temple? Yes, with your mother or elder member, isn't it, of your family. Sometime you might have visited different temples. Why do people go to temple? Okay, they go to temple to worship God, right? So temple is also important for us. Yes, so here how to take care of temple? Cleaning and surrounding by wall. Listen, okay, we have to take care of temple by cleaning it. Around the temple there might be some waste thing, garbages thrown by some people, isn't it? So times and again we have to clean it. And not only that, if the temple is in open area, then we can protect it by surrounding with a wall also, right? Okay, now the next one is also there, that is water tap. Public water tap. You might have seen in your village, in your society, there might be some public water tap from where all the people used to take water, right? Water is one of the basic need of our survival, isn't it? So, how we can take care of water tap? That is keeping clean and repairing. Yes, if the surrounding or around the water tap there is so much dust, garbage, dirty, isn't it? Then what happened? Then our water also may get dirty. Due to that, different diseases may cause, isn't it? So that we have to clean it times and again. And if any repairment is needed, we need to repair it as well. Right? Okay. Then the last one, but not the least, there may be other many public properties. Few examples I have given here. Okay. So that is park. Do you like to visit park? Yes, obviously, isn't it? Whenever we have free time, everybody like to visit park. Right? So here, park is also a public property. Anyone can go there and they can spend their time. Right? So how to take care of park? Listen here, caring plants and putting fence. Yes, in the park, what can you see? Different types of flowers, different types of plants, isn't it? So we have to care the plants which are grown in the park, the flowers. We should not pluck the flowers from the park if you have gone to visit the park, isn't it? Okay, so in this way, my dear students, here are some example of public properties and ways to take care of them I have given here, right? Okay, now what's there next at the end? Listen, we need to care them to preserve our identity, as some of them are listed in national heritage like Changu Narayan, Hanuman Jhokha, Pashupatinath, Janaki Mandir, etc. Now, my dear students, listen, okay? There are so famous public properties also in our society, isn't it? Some of them have been listed in the old or national heritage site, which identifies our country to the world. So, what is our duty? What is our responsibility? Yes, to be identified as a Nepal or as a Nepalese people, we must preserve these kind of national heritages. Or, let me tell you, public properties. After all, these all are the public properties, very important public properties, right? Okay, so now you might have known these kind of public properties even help our country to know in the world, to be famous in the world, right? Okay, now to make you more clear, I have collected some of the pictures as well. So, do you like to see the pictures? Yes, then let's have a look at the first picture. Okay, what can you see there in the picture? Yes, there are so many people. And what are they doing? What is there? What work is going on? Can you guess? Yes, there is a road which is going to be repaired. Yes, as we have already discussed, road is very important for us, isn't it? If there is not good road in your community, then we might be feeling difficulties to travel from one place to another place. And not only that, sometimes there may be some accident also. So that repairing road is very important, isn't it? So in the picture, as you can see, road is a public property. Anyone can use it whenever they need, isn't it? But our responsibility is that we need to repair it times and again. So the people are doing same in the picture, right? Okay, now let's have a look at second picture. Okay, what can you see in the picture? Yes, there is a public water tap. And what the people are doing there? Are they taking water from the tap? No, they are not taking water from the tap, isn't it? What work they are doing is that they are repairing the tap. Some of them might be cleaning the tap, isn't it? Which is very important work. As we have already discussed, water is one of the basic need of all living beings, isn't it? Without water, we cannot live. And if the drinking water is not safe, then what happens? We may be suffering from different kinds of diseases, isn't it? So, water tap is also one of the most important public properties. So that times and again we have to repair it, we have to clean it and the people are doing the same there in the picture, right? Okay, now the next picture is also for you. Okay, what can you see here in the picture? Which public property is this? Okay, this is a temple. And what the people are doing there? They are repairing or renovating the temple. You might have seen in your society as well, isn't it? Some of the old temple might be there and they may be about to fall down. And you might have seen the elderly people of your society sometime gathering together to repair such temple, isn't it? That means they are taking care of the temple there. Yes? So in the picture, same thing is happening. Yes? Okay, my dear students, these are the few pictures which help you to understand more clearly how can we take care of our public properties, right? Okay, now I hope you are clear about the topic. And now we have got some of the exercise as well. So let's move for the exercise. Now my dear students, let's do some easy exercise, okay? For that, I have already written here, match the following, which is very much easier. Everyone can do it. So are you ready for it? Okay, please help me to do it, okay? So here, some words are written this side and even this side as well. And which is matching, you have to match it, okay? So here at first, public property. What can be? Old school building. Is that suitable? To avoid accident. Is it? What is? All can use. Okay, this one, yes. Public property, all can use them. As we have already discussed. Isn't it? Okay, now the next one, renovate. What will be the right answer? To avoid accidents or old school building? Okay, very good. We can renovate old school building, right? Next one is also there, that is maintain road. Why should we maintain road? Why should we take care of road? What will be there? Protect public property, national heritages, or there is next one, to avoid accident. Yes, this one is the correct one. Yes, we need to maintain or repair road times and again to avoid accident. Right? Now the next one is also there, our identity. What is? Protect public properties or national heritages? Yes, national heritages are our identity, right? Okay, the final one is there, that is responsibility. What is our responsibility? Okay, that is the last one, protect public properties. Okay, very good. As we have already discussed, it is our prime duty or the most important responsibility that we have to protect all the public properties which are in our society, right? Okay, this exercise we have done very easily. Now, I have some more exercise. So, I have here some of the sentences. Okay, you have to say it is true or false, right? So, the first sentence I am going to read for you, that is, public properties do not make our life easier and comfortable. See this sentence. Once again, I am reading for you, okay? Public properties do not make our life easier and comfortable. What is it, true or false? Yes, it is a false sentence because we have already known that public properties are very important, isn't it? They make our life easier and comfortable by providing different services. Okay, you are right. Okay, it is a false sentence. Now, next one is also there. Like, we can break the electric bulbs of the street. Okay, listen this sentence. Okay, we can break the electric bulbs of the street. You might have seen there are many electric pole and electric bulbs available in your street, around your house, isn't it? Should we break that? Can we break it? No, never, isn't it? It is also a false sentence because that is our public property. Because of that, during the night time, we can walk easily, isn't it? Okay, the next one, final sentence for you, okay? Here it is. We have to maintain road to avoid accident. Okay, similar sentence is there. True or false? Yes, it is a true sentence. We have to maintain road times and again so that we can avoid the accidents. Right? Okay, my dear students, now let's have a short review about today's class. Okay, today we have got a new topic or related topic to our previous class, that is care of public properties. And in today's class, we have gone through some of the words meaning, isn't it? After that, we have discussed about the topic and we have done some picture discussion as well. And lastly, we have done 2 exercises, match the following and true and false. Now, I hope you are clear about the topic. And my dear students, this much for today. And in next class, I will be there with a new topic. Till that time, have a good day.